What's up, ClickShippers? In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to connect your Shopify store with ClickShip. With ClickShip, you can manage multiple Shopify stores and set up real-time rates at checkout in one consolidated shipping platform. There are two ways you can begin integrating your Shopify store with ClickShip. The first is for Shopify users that are new to ClickShip. You can begin by logging into your Shopify store, heading over to the Shopify App Store and searching for ClickShip. Once you've navigated to the ClickShip page, click the Add App button. You'll be prompted to grant permissions to ClickShip by clicking on the Install button. Then you'll be directed to a landing page asking whether or not you are an existing ClickShip customer. Since you're new to ClickShip, simply click the Sign Up button and create your free account. Once you've finished creating your account and logged into ClickShip, your orders and products will automatically start importing into your ClickShip account, and you've successfully integrated your Shopify store. Now, the second way to begin integrating your store is for existing ClickShip customers. To get started, log into your ClickShip account and then go to the Marketplace page. Click on Add New Store and select Shopify. This will redirect you to the ClickShip app listing on the Shopify App Store. Click the Add App button. Enter your email and password associated with your Shopify account and select the store you want to integrate. If you're already logged in, you will go straight to the next step. ClickShip will then request permission to access and install the app. Click on Install. Simply click on Login and enter your ClickShip account details. Your orders and products will automatically start importing into your ClickShip account. And that's how easy it is to integrate your Shopify store with ClickShip. Now that you've integrated your store, there are three ways you can start fulfilling orders. The first is by manually entering the dimensions and weight of your shipment. To do this, simply navigate to the Orders tab, select the order you'd like to fulfill, enter the dimensions and weight of your box or pallet, click Find Rates, select your preferred rate, and click Ship It. The second option allows you to add a layer of automation to your fulfillment process and saves you from having to enter the dimensions and weights of each package or pallet when fulfilling by setting up package and pallet presets. To do this, head over to the Boxes and Pallets tab and select Add Box/Pallet. You can also add multiple presets by clicking on Export and entering your various package and pallet details into the CSV. When done, save the file and import it back into ClickShip. Now when you're fulfilling orders, you can easily select your package and pallet presets from the drop-down tab on the Ship It page. From there, all you have to do is click Find Rates, select your preferred rate, and click Ship It. The third option allows you to fully automate your fulfillment process using our smart packaging solution and empowers your customers to view and select real-time rates directly at checkout. If you'd like to learn how to utilize our smart packaging solution and enable real-time rates at checkout, click the link above to view the full setup guide. We'll also leave a link in the description below. Whatever fulfillment option works best for you and your business, you'll be saving lots of time and money now that you've integrated your Shopify store with ClickShip. Thanks for watching this video. From all of us here at the ClickShip team, happy shipping.